How about some chicken piccata?
Definitely.
Just as easy?
Just as easy as marsala. We'll do the same thing what we did with the olive oil a little bit. We grab the chicken, pound it same way what we did with the first one. And same thing we do the flour. You don't have to put salt or pepper in this one because it has to be more chicken stock than a chicken marsala, so it has their own salt. You can put a little bit, but not as much as chicken marsala. There we are. We'll leave the same thing about 2-3 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna turn the chicken the other side. Same thing what we did earlier. And let it get that color gold. We'll put the chicken stock. We'll put a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. I put the sun-dried tomatoes. And we'll put a little bit also of butter so we can thicken the sauce. Also, with the flour, a fresh parsley. We'll do the same thing with the capers. This is the most important for the piccata. Not much, maybe a teaspoon, half of a teaspoon, or you can pour a little bit of white wine and let it thickness a little bit, and we should be good to go. A lemon, I need a lemon. There we go. I'll do with the linguini also this dish. Okay, put the chicken in. Maybe a couple more minutes, it should be ready. Asparagus, I serve asparagus with it. We're gonna do the same thing now, a little bit of dry parsley. We'll lay the linguini also. The sauce is almost ready. I'm gonna pour the sauce.
Yeah.
So it has to be a little bit rainy, like I said. And we put the chicken. There you go.
Look at
And
that.
asparagus. So we got another dish, chicken piccata.
Beautiful.